Hi, welcome to the lesson about the laws of exponents, part 2. Let us start the lesson with these examples. These examples are probably familiar as we have discussed similar examples in the introduction of exponents. Let's begin. 5 to the first power is equal to 5. Next. 2 to the first power is equal to 2. Next. 6 to the first power is equal to 6. This is actually another law of exponents. Any number raised to the first power is equal to the number. What about if the exponent is 0? Example: 3 to the power of 0. What is this equal to? Let's find out. Let us say we have this expression: 3 to the fourth power. If this is divided by itself, what will be the quotient? The quotient will be 1. 3 to the fourth power divided by 3 to the fourth power equals 1. Using the laws of exponents about dividing exponential expressions, we know that 3 to the fourth power divided by 3 to the fourth power is also equal to 3 to the power of 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. The new exponential expression then becomes 3 to the power of 0. Therefore, 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This is another law of exponents. Any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This law is specific to non-zero numbers. Please note that 0 raised to the power of 0 is undefined. Examples: 8 to the power of 0 equals 1. 65 to the power of 0 equals 1. 999 to the power of 0 equals 1. Again, any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. What if an exponential expression is raised to another power? Example: 2 cubed squared. In this example, we know that 2 cubed is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Therefore, 2 cubed squared is equal to the quantity of 2 times 2 times 2 squared. This means we have to multiply 2 times 2 times 2 by itself. The operation then becomes the quantity of 2 times 2 times 2 times the quantity of 2 times 2 times 2. Since multiplication is associative, we can actually remove the grouping symbols or the parentheses. The operation then becomes 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 is now being multiplied by itself 6 times. And we know this is equivalent to 2 to the sixth power. 2 cubed squared is therefore equal to 2 to the sixth power. What have you noticed? The new exponent, 6, is actually the product of exponents, 3 and 2. Therefore, 2 cubed squared is actually equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 2. And this is another law of exponents. An exponential expression raised to another exponent is equal to the base raised to the product of the exponents. Welcome to Hippocampus Learning Videos. If you are enjoying the Hippocampus Learning videos, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new learning videos are added to the channel. Hippocampus ETV is also on Patreon. Please check it out. Happy learning! Examples: 4 squared to the fifth power. Again, copy the base and then get the product of the exponents. 2 times 5 equals 10. 4 squared to the 5th power is therefore equal to 4 to the 10th power. Next, 9 to the 4th power raised to the 4th power. 4 times 4 equals 16. 9 to the 4th power raised to the 4th power is therefore equal to 9 to the 16th power. Next, 7 cubed raised to the 5th power. 3 times 5 equals 15. 7 cubed raised to the 5th power is therefore equal to 7 to the 15th power. More examples. The quantity of 2 cubed times 2 cubed squared. In this example, let us perform the operation in the parentheses first. 2 cubed times 2 cubed equals 2 to the power of 3 plus 3. The outermost exponent is just then copied over. 3 plus 3 equals 6. The expression then becomes 2 to the 6th power squared. Applying the laws of exponents, the base is copied and the exponents multiplied. 6 times 2 equals 12. The quantity of 2 cubed times 2 cubed squared is therefore equal to 2 to the 12th power. Next example. The quantity of 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the 0 power cubed divided by the quantity of 5 squared to the 6th power. Let us start with the dividend or the expression on top. We know that 5 to the power of 0 is 1. 5 to the 4th power times 1 equals 5 to the 4th power. The dividend or the expression on top then becomes 5 to the 4th power cubed. Next is the divisor or the expression below the bar. The quantity of 5 squared to the 6th power. Following the laws of exponents again, the expression becomes 5 to the 12th power. 12 is the product of 2 and 6. Going back to the dividend and following the laws of exponents, the expression becomes 5 to the 12th power. 12 is the product of 4 and 3. Now, the operation is 5 to the 12th power divided by 5 to the 12th power. This is equal to 5 to the power of 12 minus 12, and 12 minus 12 is 0. The expression is now 5 to the 0 power. 5 to the 0 power, following the laws of exponents again, is equal to 1. The quantity of 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the 0 power cubed divided by the quantity of 5 squared to the 6th power is therefore equal to 1. That ends part 2 of the laws of exponents. The next lesson will be part 3 of the laws of exponents. More laws of exponents and more examples will be covered in that lesson. As you can see, understanding how to manipulate exponential expression is easy. Coupled with practice, I am sure you will be able to master how to perform and manipulate exponential expressions. Please stay tuned for the next lesson. Thank you for joining us in learning this lesson. We hoped you had fun and learned a lot. Please continue studying and continue watching these learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!